Hello guys, I'm taking a walk with Gabby. Oh, that's mommy's favorite job. Wait. You wanna buy mama later? You going to buy mama quick? Yeah. There's also a wings at Cafe Garda. Look, there's an only wings, 250. And yeah. Gabby, do you remember? I used to walk you here. We strolled with your. Do you remember your bicycle? Yeah, I'm gonna show you later our vlog. We went here. I think it was an afternoon. Oh, look at those. The garden. And they also have bananas. Those trees are banana trees. Gab. You see those trees? Those are banana trees. Yan, dito kami sa farmland namin. There's a creek, look. What do you think are those? I don't know. Are they kamote? Sweet potato. Those are vegetables. Oh, so many. There are plants here. They are for sale. Yeah. Oop. Nice one. Wow. Do you know where we're going? Left or right? Left or right? What? I think we have to cross the road too. Okay, we're going to cross, okay? After me, okay? We wait for our turn. Yan, Levi Mariano or Cayetano Boulevard. Tara, let's cross. Wait, hold my hand. Hold my hand and we're going to cross. We wait for our turn. Pepsi? There's so many trucks. Do you think we can cross? So many trucks. So many vehicles. Stay with me, okay? Stay with me, okay? Hold my hand. Go. Here. There. Forward. Come on. Here. Yeah, I got it. Okay, you wait for my turn. Okay, signal. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
There's a bicycle.
Finally, we had our turn. Nice job. Good job. Sorry. That's a gasoline station. So, yon. Makulimlim at malamig ang hangin. It's a bit windy, no? You like it windy? Alright. Yeah, masarap maglakad. Huwag lang uulan. So dito sa Levi Mariano Avenue, may mga sidewalk. Yan. Tapos merong bike lane. Aside sa bike lane, merong 3 lanes for vehicles. Pero since madalas tong daanan, okay naman yung road dito. Ito lang part ng ng sidewalk. Siguro hindi ko alam kung gaano nakatagal yan ganyan. Hindi siya well maintained. Pero ang kagandahan is malawak siya kumpara sa ibang sidewalk dito sa Taguig. At ngayon nililinis siya. I don't know who are they, pero nililinis nila yung part nitong sidewalk. That's our neighborhood in Taguig. Ito yung mga makikita nyo sa along Levi Mariano. Ayan, may mga nagbabike dito. Actually sa umaga maraming naglalakad dito, maraming nagjo-jogging, yun, maraming nag-ehersisyo, maraming nagbabike. I-take advantage nila yung malawak na space, malawak na daan. Pero yun nga, since nagbukas itong kalsada na to, lalo na yung nag-open yung pinakadulo niya dun sa papunta sa Pasig. So from C5 going to Visitacion Street, ayun yung nagko-connect sa part ng Taguig at Pasig, sa Tipas. Anong lugar ba yan? I think Ligid, Tipas and Kalawaan sa Pasig. Yun, since nag-open yung bridge doon, mas lalong dumami dito kasi ever since nabuo tong road na to at dun sa lugar namin, madalas na siyang daanan ng mga commuter, even trucks na galing C5 papunta sa access ng C6. Kaya ingat-ingat lang pag naglalakad dito. It's a home village. It's a village. We're almost there. Do you think it's a long walk? Is it a long walk? It's almost there. Getting there, guys.
Dunkin' Donut.
Almost there, baby.
Okay.
All right. Buti may mga puno pa dito. Medyo lagas-lagas na nga yung iba. Putol-putol na rin. It's like a hotel, but it's residential like our home. Ba? Scala, where is this? more about that later. Actually, ngayon ko lang na-realize, malayo pala talaga. Akala ko, andito na kami. May mga siguro 200 meters pa. Ito yung U-turn na pinagpili ko ng mga sasakyan. Here, baby. There. Okay. Gabi, it's another neighborhood. It's called the Courtyard. It's a subdivision. It's a gated community. And may ginagawang building pa doon. We think of, I don't know, it's a condominium or pero most likely condominium siya. Yan. Round din siya. Vista, as I know, is most of the lands here, if not all, yan, sa part na to. Pati dun sa unahan, where the Vista Mall is. Why is it, baby? Are you okay? Oh, come on. Yeah, we're almost there. Oh, look, it's a carnival. To your left. A carnival. There's a carnival there. Oh. Carnival. Want to see that? Look, Gabby. You see the Dunkin' Donuts?
Yes.
Yeah. Finally. Yeah. It's a gasoline station too. Yan. Kasi merong, I think from our home going here is there are 3 gasoline stations, I think. There are 3 gasoline stations. Medyo nalungkot ako kasi yung mga panahon na gusto ko siyang dala the past few days. May nilagay kasi yung mga decorations ng Dunkin' Donuts for the Christmas. Ngayon, wala na. So na siyang ganyan siya. Pero it's still cool. Yeah, we're finally here. Okay, we're gonna buy donuts. What do you want? We're gonna eat. What donuts do you like, baby? Do you have something? Ayan yung favorite niya, yung walang toppings. Parang glaze ng Krispy Kreme. Like Jayco?
Yes.
That what? Okay. Puro classic na lang pala.
Hindi siya nakabox na okay.
Pero 6 pieces. Okay lang din. Okay naman. Bale,
It's just in combo.
bale tigda dalawa. Yung ito. Tawag dito? Yan. Dalawa niyan. Tapos, dalawang Boston cream. And, Nati Choco dalawa. Yeah, I already bought. Saka available yung ice coffee. Ano mga flavors nga ulit yung ice coffee?
Classic lang ako.
Classic lang. Sige. Yung pinakamalaki, isang ganun. Excited?
Yes.
Excited for the donuts. That's our donut. Can you go upstairs? You're gonna hold. Sige, tara. Hold on to me, okay? Dami kasi dala gabi, sorry. Just hold on to me. Going upstairs. Slowly. Slowly. There. Yeah.
Let's go here.
There? Okay. This is coffee. I didn't buy you a drink. I'm gonna buy you a drink later. There's a convenience store, okay? Want to eat your donut now? Yeah, coffee. Coffee. Nice. May biling ko ng drink si Gab doon. Kumutan ko kasi. Gali. This is we're having donuts at the gasoline station.
Yeah.
Donut at the gasoline station. Good. So recording.
I'm eating the donut, guys. Donut. Yummy.
Ano yung vlog to Papa?
Papa.
Hold it. Show Papa. Hi.
Hello. It's this one.
What is it?
Oh no.
Hold your hands in. Show me your donut.
Papa.
Almost done? Ooh. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Favorite niya kasi yung mga raised donut. Yung parang sa Krispy Kreme at saka sa Jayco. Is it like Jayco? Which better? Jayco or Dunkin' Donuts?
Dunkin' Donut.
Dunkin' Donuts better. Ah.
Wait.
Where are you now?
Oh no. Shell. Shell.
Kanina sa Shell Select. Mabilis pa naman makatanda. Once malaman niya na yung name ng lugar, tatandaan niya na yun. What is it?
I went to pee.
It's going home na. Yeah? How about us? You wanna go home?
Yes.